Maabitha atano wathani wa matura aria manyititwo migwate-ini itoi cia gikundi kia Al-Shabab kaunti-ini ya Mandera mweri-ini wa keri mwaka uyu riu ni marekereirio. Akiaria ri kaunti-ini ya Mombasa icera-ini ria keri ria kiwira ria thiku inya, minista wa ugitiri wa thiini Kipchumba Murkomen augite macibu aya mararekereirio mathaa-ini ma ira hwaini ni andu matoikaine.
Our country is safe because there are men and women who are making great sacrifices. The fact that we don't discuss threats of terrorism and Al-Shabaab and so forth every day does not mean that our country is not facing constant threat from these elements.
Atano ya marahingiritwo bururi-ini wa Somalia kuma riria manyitirwo migwate merekeire mwena wa Elwak mucemanio-ini wa gubanga icera ria mutongoria wa bururi William Ruto gicigo-ini giki.
The men and women who have gone out there working in the field, especially along our borders, are doing a fantastic job to protect the rest of us. We don't speak about this every day, but it just needs to be known by all Kenyans that we are safe because our police officers, our NPR, our chiefs, our assistant chiefs, and many citizens in the community who are cooperating with the security sector are helping us to keep our country safe.
Murkomen augite thirikari ikoretwo igiteithania na kanjo ya athuri a gicigo giki kugia na miario na gikundi giki niguo maabitha ya marekererio kuona kunyitwo kwa migwate ni kurarehete wagagu bururi-ini.
We decided to work together with the community and to work with the county government of Mandera and the local community, and this process has borne fruit. We will be commenting further in the near future once our chiefs are within the country, and we'll give you even more updates on the progress and what we are doing.
Ihinda-ini riu Murkomen niaririe aikari a gicua-ini wirutiri wa thirikari hari kung'ethanira na kuhukia ikundi itari njitikirie ta Panga Boys kuria gukinyaniria na riu nyanake igana rimwe ria 47 ni irikitie guikio ngono guku maabitha a borithi magithie na mbere na kuhura miriungu kuiga ugitiri. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, njitagwo Wainaina wa Kiarie.